is something you don't see every day. It's my neighbour's pigs have escaped and they're out having a good old forage. This is a local breed of pig. It's a cerdo negro, pork negro, so black pork. Cerdo ibérico. If you've ever had jamón serrano, good serrano ham, then the good stuff is called pata negra, which is black leg, and it comes from these pigs. On with the solar install this morning. I've got to make up all of these cables, so I've cut them all to length, and now I've got to add the lugs onto the end like this, yeah, and then heat shrink them. So I've got a lot of work to do. So today I'm making battery cables. I have to make a load of these cables to do the series parallel connections on my batteries. So it's just a case of cutting the cable to the right length, stripping the ends, and putting the lugs on. And then I bought this, can't remember what it's called right now, but anyway, I bought this on the internet to fix the lugs on the end, and then you put shrink wrap over it, and that's it. So I've looked up on YouTube to try and find a video that shows an easy way to strip thick wire, and I can't find anything except for special tools that I didn't have. So originally I was doing it with a knife, so you just take the measurement and then work your way into the cable and cut through it, and this is a pain in the ass and takes a long time, and then it doesn't pull off properly. So I've got these PVC pipe cutters, which I actually used as well to cut this cable. You see, they make a really nice clean cut on the end, which I found out halfway through. But so if you just put this in so that it just bites here, and give it a squeeze and then turn, I don't know if you'll be able to see that properly, and then turn, if you get the right depth, then this comes off really nice and easy. And if you're careful, you don't cut any of the filaments, and that makes a really nice easy cut. And I have a lot of these to do, so I'm actually very happy that I've found this, because it's making my life a hell of a lot easier. Yeah, so it just bites in, turn it, and push it off. You could probably do the same with a copper pipe cutter. I was thinking of that before, and then I saw these. Yeah. So then that one looks like I need to cut it a bit longer maybe. So then you just slide the lug on, trying to get all of the filaments in. Yeah, and then this is a crimper, that's what it's called. Then this just goes in here, you whack it with a hammer and it crimps the lug in place, and then you just put some shrink wrap over it, and that's it. You have some good sturdy cables cut to whatever length you need them. So there's the crimper. It's a Draper crimper. I think it cost me about 15 bucks on the internet. So now I've got this crimper, and it has just a thing that goes up like this. So put this on a nice sturdy surface. I'm making sure that the lug is in all the way to the end. So I'm going to slide this into here. And now you give it a good couple of whacks with a hammer, and there you go. That's on nice and strong. You see it's shaped. The lug, that's not going anywhere. Now we have this like this. I'm going to put a heat shrink on, and now you just apply some heat to that to make it shrink. Hot air gun would be great, but I don't have one, so I'm not doing them individually. This is going to take forever. Got all my cables ready. I'm a bit of an airhead, so I've decided to label all of my cables. So these, for example, because I'm setting up my batteries series parallel, and then tying in all the positives and the negatives together. You'll understand that in the video when I wire up the batteries. I have 6 positive, negative batteries cables. These are to wire up the batteries in series. So I will be going from the positive of one to the negative of another. And I have all of the cables that I need for these. And then I will be wiring up in parallel as well. So I have all the positive to positive cables well marked. And then in negative, I have all the negative to negative cables marked, because yeah, I have a bit of an issue with attention, and so just having everything marked out like this makes it all very easy.